Guys. You want to see magic trick?
Yes.
Okay, who wants to pick the card?
Kyla.
Okay. Are all the cards different, Kyla?
Yeah.
Just gonna point to a card. Okay. As I'm going through, don't let me influence you. I'll go slow.
Oh, now I'm nervous.
Just point to one. Which one?
Wait.
Which one?
Wait. This one.
Right here, are you sure?
Yeah, that one.
Take it, show everybody, don't show me. Okay, what card did you pick?
The, what was it? The red King of Diamonds?
King of Diamonds. Okay, wait. Let me just get my shot right. I just shot the King of Diamonds into that guy's pocket. Okay.
Just one. Do you mind checking your left pocket?
Yeah. What the? You know this guy? No, don't joke. You're with him. Yeah.
No!
You're with him.
I swear I'm not. I've never seen that man before in my life.
I'm genuinely so confused.
I know you should be.
How did you do that? Wait, how did you do that?
I like you, man. You lie a lot.